Solomon, tinatanong ni Coach Sherwin kung sumagot ba daw si Alyssa at si Bella sa one more year. Tatanong natin mamaya. Coach Sherwin, congratulations. Ang sarap ng pagbabalik mo dito sa UAAP. Alam mo, maraming nagsabi, Coach Sherwin, na pagpasok mo, malakas yung team na napuntahan niya. Madali lang yan. Pero ang katotohanan, medyo mas mataas ang pressure sa'yo because nagkampyonato na sila. Bakit mo tinanggap yung trabaho, Coach? Anong challenge was it for you?
Siyempre, number one, yung family ko talaga, nasa NU na talaga. And siyempre, yung opportunity na entrance na binigay ng NU community sa akin, sobrang pressure. Siyempre, champion team. Hindi pwedeng mag first, second, hindi. Talaga dapat champion ulit. So, yung pressure naman lagi nandyan. And, syempre, UAAP, sobrang saya dito maglaro. Thank you talaga sa NU community na nagtiwala sa akin na mag-guide yung mga bata.
Alam mo, Coach, nung elimination round, sinabi namin sa TV that nung nasa Adamson ka pa, nung your first round sa UAAP, never ka nanalo kay Coach Ramil. Tapos, dito sa NU, medyo nakasweep ka this season. Coach Ramil is a legend. How is it feeling going up against him and beating him in the finals?
Siyempre, masaya. Knowing Coach Ramil talagang kumaga, yung sistema niya talagang buong-buo na since naglalaro pa ako, Coach Ramil na yan. So, masaya ako kasi siyempre nakalaban namin sila and this time nanalo naman. So, masaya.
Coach, anong masasabi mo sa mga seniors mo? Hindi pa natin alam yung sagot dun sa iba kung mag-1 year pa o hindi. Marami na nagsabing hindi. Pero for those who are leaving NU, anong message mo sa kanila?
Sobrang thankful ako sa mga seniors kasi yung chemistry na nabuo namin within, I think, 8 months. Sobrang bilis kasi yung leadership nila, especially Bella, talagang napakagaling niya mag-handle talaga ng team. Hopefully, madala niya sa pro. Thankful ako sa kanila dahil sobrang bait nila talaga.
At para naman dun sa mga may iwan at sa mga bata pa, what are they going to look forward to under you in the coming year or coming years?
Siyempre, number one talaga, ma-adapt nila yung attitude ng mga ate nila na sobrang competitive. Every training, lagi nandyan. So, yun lang naman yung importante na mag-success sa UAP as a volleyball player. Dapat sobrang competitive ka. Sa mga bata, siyempre, i-guide natin ng maayos.
Message mo sa NU community, Coach Sherwin.
Thank you sa NU community na nagtiwala na mag-guide yung players natin sa NU and hopefully maging maganda pa yung takbo ng volleyball community sa NU and sa lahat ng sports sa NU.
Congratulations on your first UAP championship. Coach Sherwin, your champion coach and back-to-back para sa NU Lady Bulldogs. Maraming salamat. Go ahead and celebrate with your team, Coach. Maraming sa oras. Kay Bam Bam din, salamat sa cameo appearance. Wow, Denise, your team, how does it feel being, in the sidelines watching it all?
No, it has been a journey being in a silence with the Lady Bulldogs, and I am very much happy to have served the Golden Blue throughout this season. And thank you po to NU for supporting the Lady Bulldogs and for being with us here today. Thank you so much.
And how about being in the finals for you and that feeling of seeing the celebration, Pauline?
Definitely, I miss the UAAP. There is nothing like the UAAP. If I still had playing years, isasagad ko talaga yan.
Ano ba yan? Advice mo yan sa kanila? O,
Yes.
sige. Pauline, congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. The UAAP is not yet done. The men's are still going for the title, FU and NU, back here at the SM Mall of Asia on Saturday. But for the women's volleyball tournament, it has been a blast. Thank you from all of us, to Signal TV, all of everybody behind the camera, all of our colleagues, correspondents, analysts, and anchors. I'm Boom Gonzalez. We'll see you Saturday. for Game 3 between FEU and NU in the men's volleyball tournament. In the meantime, congratulations to back-to-back champions, National University Lady Bulldogs.